Was a super Friday evening out walking the brick sidewalks of historic downtown Easton for their October Fall Kickoff Event this weekend. Poppy Blue Eyes and the Eastern Shore Jazz Ensemble played tonight, and tomorrow features music by Three of a Kind and Jayla Elsie. The pumpkin artists were busy carving these little organic masterpieces that are outside the shops all along the trail. Unfortunately, most of the shops had already closed for the 5 p.m. kickoff, but the art galleries were open and it was super seeing so many people inside the galleries. There are lots of activities for the kiddos: pumpkin painting, cookie decorating, and tonight there's a free outdoor movie featuring the Addams Family. Library will also have fall-themed story time for young kids on Saturday morning. Cascading Carlos was in Thompson Park entertaining the kiddos with his juggling demonstration, and he'll be back tomorrow. And the Talbot Humane Society will have furry faces at their kissing booth tomorrow on Harrison Street. There are free carriage rides. If you've never been to Easton, Maryland, fall is a great time to come out to visit this little historic town on the Maryland Eastern Shore.